Hey guys, it's me, Vanessa. I am so excited to tell you all that we have officially started recording for season 2. Seriously, cannot believe how crazy awesome the response for season 1 was. Thank you all so much for listening and subscribing, and I can't believe I have a podcast, and what even is life? So before we get to the juicy stuff, I wanted to share a few things that you can do right this second to help the podcast reach more people that desperately need math therapy. 1, subscribe wherever you listen to podcasts. Seriously, any podcast app will do. 2, rate or review on Apple Podcasts. Even just hitting the 5-star thing goes a long way. 3, if you use Overcast, hit the star button on any episode. 4, share it on social media, talk to your podcast-loving friends, spread the word, whatever, tell your mom, I don't care. And 5, connect with me everywhere. So all my socials are at The Math Guru. I would love to hear from you. Guys, honestly, I started this podcast because I wanted to help as many people as possible, realize their potential to actually do math. So you guys helping me spread the word really, really makes a huge difference. So thank you, seriously. Okay, so while we're recording season 2, I wanted to tide you guys over with some seriously juicy behind the scenes outtakes of season 1. So basically you're about to hear us firsthand, trying to figure out how to even record a podcast in the first place. Be ready to not be impressed at all one bit.
So a lot of my students they're just very I just can't do it. And
shit.
Sad.
This fucking phone.
Sad.
Is this rain going to be in the podcast? It's really raining now.
Oh, fantastic.
No, wait, be quiet for a sec. No, I don't think it's picking it up. Okay.
When we do a lot of work that the kids always laugh. What do you guys do when we're not here? I'm tons. I'm sorry.
Okay, I'll get you to just say that right.
No. It's like an airplane took off.
I know. Well, you heard it here first, guys. Even therapists carry their math traumas into adulthood. Adulthood, right? Are you recording this? And yeah, you can swear if you want. It's a swearing podcast.
Okay, so it's not you have to say...
No.
All right, that's good. That means I don't have to restrict myself.
So, an asymptote. What the fuck is an asymptote, right? All my students are what the fuck? I don't understand what asymptote. Why is the curve going?
I love how she asks if she can swear and then proceeds to swear every 2 seconds.
I swear all the time. Well, I was trying not to swear because I didn't know we could swear. So now that we can swear, yay.
Head over to our website to check those out. That's where we put all of our show notes, themathguru.ca/math fucking shit. So now we're at the point in the podcast. Oh my God, there's so much peeking.
Yeah, you guys peeked a lot.
David will have to edit that. Okay, I knew you were going to get more excited than you were letting on. Okay, so we'll film that and we'll throw it up there for everyone to listen to. Just delete everything I'm saying right now. Okay, cool. I'm going to say this intro just so I say it, but I'm going to re-record it.
Yeah.
Okay, but I'm just going to say it to get into the flow of what's going on
cool.
here. Or maybe I just won't actually say it. I'll say this all after and we can decide what we're going to say.
Yeah.
Okay.
So amazing.
Yeah, this is really...
I was wrapped.
I was she's just going to start talking.
I was so close to...
You're bah!
I know, I had to hold myself back.
It's a very maddening story.
Yeah,
it's people mad.
It's
I know.
really upsetting.
What is her prescription going to be? I can't deal with these prescriptions. I get so stressed. We should have never done them.
A prescription? My mom was a pharmacist. Does that help?
Right? You can go to 50 to a 50.
I don't understand because I literally turned the ringer off. I turned it off. Okay, we'll start at that progress versus perfection thing. I completely don't understand what's going on with this. And for those of you who felt there wasn't enough actual math in season 1, which really was the point, by the way, but whatever. Okay, here's a somewhat alarming explanation of asymptotes from our guest, Zainab Hussein. Disclaimer, absolutely do not try this at home, at school, on the road, or anywhere really.
So my students just what the hell is an asymptote? I have no idea what an asymptote is. I don't understand it. And I'm okay, let's take a step back and turn this into where you can apply it. Because even I was where do you apply an asymptote in real life?
Let's hear it.
So I was all right. I gave an example of a race car. Okay? This is called my Tokyo Drift. You're driving a race car.
Copyright.
And yeah, copyrighted, trademarked by Zainab Hussein right over here. Okay, let's say you're driving a race car. And there's a big turn coming up. Big. You gotta swerve it, right? Let's say right where the turn is, there's a bunch of cats right? You just want to run over the kitties. They're cute little kitties. Meow, 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 right? So you're just like running around, or you're like, oh shit, if I don't swerve fast enough, I'm going to kill these kitties.
Oh my
right?
God.
So instead, what you do is as you approach these kitties, you go like, no, 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 turn the car, turn it. Kitties are here. You're coming at it like, whoosh. And you just kind of just swerve by it.
Okay.
And that is why an asymptote makes the curve go like this. And
You just can't touch it.
you just can't. You can get super close. You cannot kill the kitty, but you can get super close to killing the kitty.
Got it.
Right? So you just swerve it, and then I call that a Tokyo drift.
I love it.
Yeah.
I'm going to use that.
Great.
I don't actually teach grade 12 math, so I don't have to talk about asymptotes. But
Fine.
actually, no, never mind. Exponential functions.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Asymptotes, guys. Yep, they're a real thing. Well, that's all for now, but make sure that you're subscribed to the podcast because we've got a few more surprises in store before season 2 hits. Bye.